Hello everyone, myself Pradeep Paul. Today I am going to explain about how to convert Nfa to DFA in a ATC. Now let us see in a visualization process.
In this video, we'll see how to convert from NFA to DFA. This is the state Q0, Q1, Q2, and Q2 is the final state, Q0 is the starting state. Let us write the transition table state Q0 with respect to 0 and 1, Q1 with respect to Q1, Q2, and Q2. Now take a starting node Q0 and check whether from where Q0 is traveling with respect to 0. Q0 is self loop, so in the place of 0 we can write Q0. Again check with respect to Q0 with 1. Q0 is traveling with 1 to respect to Q1, and again it's traveling to Q2. Now check with respect to Q1. Q1 with 0 it's taking self loop. Q1 again Q1 is traveling to Q2. Now Q1 with respect to 1. Q1 is traveling to Q2. Now take the Q2. Q2. Q2 is traveling to Q0. Again Q2 is traveling to Q1. Q2 with respect to 1. Q2 is traveling to Q1. Now let us take the Q0 state. We'll find whether any other new state is formed or not. Take Q0 with respect to 0 and check Q0 which are the traveling states with respect to 0. Q0 only one state with respect to 0. Now again Q0 with respect to 1. Q0 is traveling to Q1 and Q0 is traveling to Q2. Q2, it is a new state which is not present in the transition table. Again take Q1 and check with respect to 0. Q1 is traveling with self loop Q0. Q1 is taking self loop as 0, so we have written Q1. Again Q1 is Q1 with respect to 0, it is traveling to Q2. Again Q1 with respect to 1, we are checking Q1 is traveling to Q2. Here no new state is present since Q1 Q2 is already new state in a previous process. Again we'll take Q2, check Q2 with respect to 0. Q2 with respect to 0, it is traveling to Q0 and again it is traveling to Q1, which is a new state. It is not present in any other state. Q1 Q2 is a new state and again Q0 Q1 is a new state. Again Q2 check with respect to 1. It is traveling Q2 to Q1, so we have written Q1, which is already present in the transition table. No need to add it. Again now we can check for the new state which has been occurred in a occurred for Q0, that is Q1 and Q2. Check Q1 and Q2 with respect to 0. Q1 with respect to 0 and Q2 with respect to 0. Q1 which is traveling from Q1 to Q2, that we have written. Again with respect to Q2 which is traveling with Q0 and Q1, we have got Q1 Q2 Q0 Q1. If we write Q0 Q1, Q2, which is a new state which is not present in the transition table. Again, Q1, Q2 with respect to 1. Q1 is traveling with respect to 1 with Q2. Again, Q2 is traveling with respect to Q1 to Q2. Q1, Q2 which is already present in the transition table, which cannot be considered as new state. Again, we'll take with respect to Q0 and Q1. Now let us see about the new state Q0 and Q1 which is not present in the transition table. We have done with Q1, Q2, and next we are going with Q0, Q1. After performing Q1 and Q2, we got another new state that is called Q0, Q1, Q2. Now we are performing with respect to Q0, Q1. Here, Q0, Q1. We are taking with respect to 0. Q0, Q1 with respect to 0. Q0. Q0 with respect to 0, it is moving with self loop Q0. As it is, we have written it, and we are again checking it for Q1. Q1 is taking a self loop with Q1 and it is moving to Q2. So we have written Q1, Q2. After writing this, we should combine it with Q0, Q1, Q2. We cannot take this as a final state because we have already taken it as a final state or new state. We cannot add it again a new state. Again, we are going to check Q0, Q1 with respect to 1. Q0 with respect to 1 and Q1 with respect to 1. Q0 with respect to 1, it is moving to Q1, and Q1 with respect to 1, it is moving to Q2. So I have written as it is. After finalizing Q1, Q2, even this we are not taking it as a final state since we have already done with Q1 and Q2. So no need to do it again. Now we should perform with Q0, Q1, Q2. Since it is a new state. Q0, Q1, Q2 with respect to 0. Q0 with respect to 0, it is traveling to Q0. Again, Q1 with respect to 0, it is traveling to Q1 and Q2. Q2 with respect to 0, it is traveling to Q0, Q1. After combining all this, we get Q0, Q1, Q2. Since we are already performing with Q0, Q1, Q2, it will not be considered as new state. Again, we should perform Q0, Q1, Q2 with respect to 1. Q0, Q1, Q2 with respect to 1. Q0 with respect to 1, it is traveling to Q1. And again Q2. Q1 with respect to 1, it is traveling to Q2. Again Q2 with respect to 1, it is traveling to Q1. After combining this, we have got another state Q1, Q2 which is already present in the transition table. After performing all the state, we need to rewrite the transition table. First state Q0, Q1, Q2, again Q0, Q1 and Q1, Q2, Q0, Q1, Q2. Write this Q0, Q1, Q2 as it is in the previous transition table. No changes in that. Q0, Q1. Check for Q0 Q1. Q0 Q1, we have got Q0 Q1 Q2. Write as it is with respective to 0. Next, Q0 Q1 with respect to 1, we have got Q1 Q2. Write as it is. Q1 Q2. Q1 Q2 with respect to 0, we have got Q0 Q1 Q2. Q1 Q2 with respect to 1, we have got Q1 Q2. Write as it is. Next, Q0 Q1 Q2 new state. Check for 0 and 1. Q0 Q1 Q2 with respect to 0, we have got Q0 Q1 Q2. Q1 Q2 with respect to 1, we have got Q1 Q2. Write as it is. This is the transition table we have constructed newly. Since in the previous transition table we have only have 3 states, that is Q0 Q1 Q2. In this transition table we have got Q0 Q1 Q2, Q0 Q1, Q1 Q2, Q0 Q1 Q2. Now we should write a DFA for this transition table. Q0 with respect to 0, it is being self loop. So I have written self loop. Again check for Q0 with respect to 1. It is traveling to Q1 Q2. Now take for Q1. Write a Q1 and check for with respect to 0. Q1 with respect to 0, it is traveling to Q1 Q2. Write as it is. Again Q1 with respect to 1, it is traveling to Q2. Take a new state and draw a line and put it for 1. Now with respect to Q2, Q2 with respect to with respect to 0, it is traveling to Q0 Q1. Write a new state Q0 Q1, which is not present in the DFA. Q2 with respect to 1, it is traveling to Q1. So it just backtrack with respect to 1. Now Q0 Q1 with respect to 0, it is traveling to Q0 Q1 Q2. Q0 Q1, it is traveling to Q0 Q1 Q2. Again Q0 Q1 with respect to 1, it is traveling to Q1 Q2. Self loop. Now Q1 Q2 with respect to 0, it is traveling to Q0 Q1 Q2. Q1 Q2, it is traveling to Q0 Q1 Q2. Again Q0 Q1 Q2 with respect to 0, Q0 Q1 Q2. It will be assigned a self loop. Q0 Q1 Q2 will be traveling to Q1 with respect to Q1 Q2. This is the way to convert NFA to DFA.